This isn't just a motorhome. This is engineered freedom, shaped in steel and precision, built for those who refuse to travel ordinary. From the very first glance, it commands attention, not with noise, not with exaggeration, but with presence. The paint reflects light with a deep glass-like finish. Every bodyline flows with purpose. The stance is confident, balanced, deliberate. It doesn't just arrive, it makes an entrance. As it moves onto the road, you immediately sense its composure. Behind the wheel, steady hands guide it forward with quiet authority. The steering feels measured and precise. Subtle inputs translate smoothly through the chassis. Acceleration is controlled, never abrupt. Braking is confident, stable, reassuring. The suspension absorbs imperfections effortlessly, keeping the cabin calm and insulated from the outside world. Wind noise fades into the background. Road vibrations are softened into silence. This isn't just driving, it's commanding a moving sanctuary. Inside the cockpit, everything is exactly where it should be. The driver's seat offers firm yet comfortable support, designed for long distances without fatigue. The steering wheel sits perfectly in hand, wrapped in a texture that feels solid and refined. The digital display is crisp and clear, presenting information with precision and clarity. Controls are logically positioned within natural reach. Visibility stretches wide across the road ahead, creating confidence in every mile traveled. Step further inside, and the living space opens up with harmony and intention. The sofas share a consistent tone and texture, stitched with precision, cushioned for comfort that feels both supportive and inviting. Cabinetry lines the walls with symmetrical alignment, finished in a refined color that remains cohesive throughout the interior. The flooring carries a complementary tone, grounding the space with warmth and balance. Ambient lighting flows softly across surfaces, highlighting textures without overwhelming them. Nothing feels excessive, nothing feels out of place. It's a space designed not just to impress, but to live in. The kitchen area continues that philosophy of intelligent design. The countertops feel solid and durable beneath the hand, offering generous workspace without clutter. Appliances integrate seamlessly into the cabinetry, maintaining the clean visual flow. Storage compartments open smoothly and close with reassuring precision. Every detail serves a function. Every surface feels intentional. It's practical luxury, designed for real use, not just display. Move toward the bedroom, and the atmosphere shifts into calm refinement. The bed sits centered and balanced, dressed in linens that mirror the interior's cohesive color palette. Soft lighting wraps the room in a warm glow, creating a private retreat away from the world outside. Cabinetry remains consistent in finish and tone, reinforcing continuity in design. The space feels quiet, insulated, personal, a place where rest comes naturally. The washroom reflects the same commitment to detail. The shower enclosure stands solid and cleanly finished. Fixtures carry a polished, durable look. The mirror reflects light clearly, expanding the sense of space. Storage is intelligently placed, maximizing usability without crowding the area. It feels less like a vehicle feature and more like a thoughtfully designed residential suite. As daylight fades and interior lighting takes over, the entire motorhome transforms into a calm, illuminated sanctuary. Soft ambient tones create depth and warmth. Surfaces respond subtly to light, enhancing texture and dimension. Outside, the world continues moving. Inside, everything remains composed, stable, refined. And that is the true achievement here. This motorhome is not about excess, it's about balance. It's about engineering meeting comfort without compromise. It's about traveling thousands of miles while daring the certainty of home with you. Every panel aligned, every material selected with purpose, every mile traveled with confidence. This is not simply transportation, it is independence on wheels, a moving environment designed with precision, discipline, and quiet luxury. For those who understand that the journey matters just as much as the destination, this is how the road was meant to feel.